Hi guys, welcome back to Laila's Home Cooking. On today's episode I want to show you how I make my version of a quick fried rice perfect for weeknight dinner, and let's go with ingredients so we can get started. I'm gonna use chicken breast, boneless chicken breast cut into small pieces, and frozen mixed vegetables that has beans, corn and carrots, and also green peas. And then we're gonna need eggs, chili paste, optional. If you don't want it spicy, just leave this alone. See, this is just seasoning sauce. This is also optional. You don't need to add that if you don't have it. And then soya sauce, which is a must. We need some oil, some basmati. I'm using basmati. And we also need some eggs, we need salt and pepper, and green onion. So I'm gonna use quick making rice right away. I'm not using any leftover rice, but I will show you how grainy the rice will be even if you make it the same day and you go make fried rice the same day. So my water is boiling back there. I'm gonna go wash the rice, drain the water, and then put this to cook. Add some salt according to your taste, and then we're gonna put the rice here and then give it a stir and let it boil. And we're gonna cook the rice just when it reach about 95 to 97%, and then I'm gonna go drain the rice. We're gonna marinate this chicken and just until the rice is done. We're not gonna leave this for like hours or so. So I just add salt, pepper, and then just 1 teaspoon of this chili paste, again optional, and then a little bit of soya sauce, not too much, and give it a good mix. And rice is ready. I have already drained it, and I have arranged the rice on a large tray so the rice can get cool completely. And then time to time I'm just gonna mix the rice. You can just take a fork gently so the rice is not going to break, and that way the rice will stay grainy until we are ready to start making the fried rice. And now I'm gonna start cracking the egg. Just a little bit salt and black pepper powder, and then just beat the egg. Oil is preheating to go fry the egg. So I have about 1/3 cup of oil. I'm using olive oil, and I'm gonna fry all the egg at once. So I'm gonna remove the egg in few seconds. To the same pan with the remaining oil, I'm gonna cook this chicken now over medium-high heat. Alright, give it a good mix. And chicken breast doesn't take long to cook. If you cook it longer, this is where it goes rubber. So we're just gonna cook this just until the chicken has a little bit color to it. Just gonna remove it on a plate. And this is the remaining oil. I'm gonna add a little bit more. And then I'm gonna start with the vegetables. I'm gonna add a little bit at a time. So I'm gonna do this in batches, about 3 to 4 batches. And then I'm also gonna add a little bit of black pepper and just a little bit of salt. And then we're just gonna cook it for like a minute. Okay, now I'm gonna add rice. Again, I'm gonna add a little portion at a time. And you can see how grainy is the rice. Just follow the method that I showed you guys. Alright, that should be enough. And now, seasoning, sauce, a little bit, just drizzling, soya sauce. I'm using light soya sauce. And optional, little bit of chili paste. Mix. Now add a little portion of the cooked chicken. I'm gonna save these juices for later when I get to the last portion. Just add as much as you like green onion. It just gives the fried rice a very nice flavor. And last thing I'm gonna add is the egg, which I have cut them into strips. And I'm gonna keep going, keep repeating the same thing for the rest of the rice. And after a long day work, my quick fried rice is ready, and I can feed an army. Look at this big pot full of fried rice. Like, I'm excited, and let's try it. You guys can see how grainy is the rice. You don't need to have leftover rice to make fried rice. And look at this, guys. Look at how beautiful is this. Look at this. So good. So good. Make whatever you want to go with it. I can have this as is because this is so good as is with all of the sauce that I have added. It is so good. You guys need to make it this way. I'm gonna put the written ingredient down below in the description box, and follow the process in the video, and let me know if you like it. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to check my channel, La Cuisine Laila, also for more recipes. I will see you next time. Bye.